Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the physical and system prerequisites, the output device, cables, and power. Plug in or pair the device, then set it as the default in your system or app so audio routes correctly. Once done, play a short test file at about 50% volume to verify signal and latency. If you hear audio, proceed. If not, check connections and mute settings. This gets you immediately into a working audio path without extra delays. Now you refine configuration and optimize performance. Open the audio device settings and choose appropriate sample rate and bit depth, 44. 1K HZ, 16-bit is standard for most playback. Once set, manage latency by selecting the correct driver mode or reducing buffer size when you need real-time monitoring. Make gradual EQ and balance changes to avoid clipping. If using multiple outputs, route channels explicitly. These adjustments improve clarity and responsiveness while preventing distortion and sync issues. Finish by saving your working configuration as a profile so you can recall it quickly for future sessions. Make sure output levels are locked and that monitoring mixes reflect the final plan. If you encounter silence or distortion, reselect the output device in the app, then restart the application or audio driver. This often resolves routing glitches. If problems persist, update drivers or firmware, inspect cables, and test with another device. One key troubleshooting tip: restarting the audio service usually resets problematic states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.